this crooked highway. Been out in front of a dozen dead oceans. The 10,000 miles in the mouth of a graveyard fire. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard. It's a hard rain gonna fall. When you see my glass eyes, when you see my darling young one, I saw a newborn baby, wild wolves all around me. A highway of diamond and nobody on it. I saw a black branch with loving and dripping. I saw a white ladder all covered in water. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard. It's a hard rain gonna fall. When you hear my voice now, when you hear my darling young one, I heard the sound that roared out of warmth, the roar of a wave that was traversing the world, the sound of a poet who died in the valley, the sound of a poet who cried in the gutter. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's a hard rain gonna fall. Will you meet my grandson? Will you meet my darling young one? Well, I met a young girl beside a telephone. I met a young boy and he gave me a rainbow. I met one man that was wounded in hatred. I met another man that got wounded in love. And it's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard. It's a hard rain gonna fall. For the rain starts falling, I tell off, sticking out, breathing. Breathe up from the mountains, so also to see it. Stand out the ocean till I start to sing. Know my song well before I start singing. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard, it's hard. It's a hard rain gonna fall. It's hard, it's hard, it's hard. It's a hard rain gonna fall.